Hello, I am Richard, and I'm excited to introduce you to Hemholm, our AI-powered home farming solution that is revolutionize how we access fresh, healthy food. Imagine growing organic vegetables right in your kitchen. With AI handling everything, you just open the box and the fresh salad is ready. That is the future we're building with Hemholm. Hemholm was born during the pandemic, when food access became critical. Many cities around the world were locked down, and some people even starved to death in China. We realized that the urgent need for a decentralized food solution that align with several UN Sustainable Development Goals. It saves water and land compared to traditional farming. It produces affordable organic food without harmful chemicals. It reduces transportation costs and food waste. It improves health through fresh, nutritious products. It makes home farming possible for everyone, even without gardening skills. It contributes to climate action by reducing carbon emissions and absorbing CO2. Here's what makes Hemholm unique. Fully automatic growing process from seeding to harvesting. Daily fresh vegetable production. AI-powered health and nutrition advice. Various size to fit different spaces. A connected community where users can share and earn money. Our technology uses machine learning to optimize growing conditions. The AI adjusts light, water, nutrition based on each plant's needs, ensuring perfect growth every time. This is how our users can see and control everything from the app. The app forecasts harvests from the coming days, allowing users to plan their meals in advance. No more worry about what to eat for lunch or what to serve your guests for dinner. Users can buy and sell produce through our marketplace, making it easy to trade surplus vegetables or purchase recommended products. It's that simple. The indoor farming market is booming, expected to reach $35 billion by 2030. Hemholm is positioned to be a major player in this revolution. Our revenue model includes hardware sales, subscription for seeds and nutrients, premium services like personalized diet plan, data monetization. What sets us apart is our Web3 community. Users earn tokens by using their Hemholm machine, creating a flywheel ecosystem that drives growth and engagement. Of course, there are already many competitors in the market. However, our timing and team advantage position us to quickly surpass them and become market leaders. The rapid growth of AI, market concern from the post-pandemic era, and ongoing war crisis, combined with our strong connections to China, give us a unique edge. My partners and I have deep roots in China, allowing us to leverage its mature industrial chain. This means we can quickly produce our devices and capture market share. We are entering at a perfect time to ride the wave of AI advancements and address growing food security concerns. Our team brings together expertise in urban farming, agriculture science, automation, and entrepreneurship. Me, Richard, founder of this project, has 4 years of experience in urban farming and is also an experienced entrepreneur and inventor. Liang, our CAO, is an agricultural scientist, automation expert, and a serial entrepreneur. Connor Lee is a highly experienced German-based CTO and full-stack developer with experience in Web3, AI, Internet of Things, and blockchain technologies, who has a proven track record in startup environments and scalable solution architecture across multiple industries. Nasali, our advisor, represents our target market. In the coming 12 months, we will finalize our prototype, launch production, build our user community, and further develop our AI algorithm. To achieve those goals, we are seeking €500,000 in funding. This investment will mainly go toward research and development and scale up production. With Hemholm, we are not just creating a product, we are leading a movement toward food independence and sustainability. We are making healthy food available to everyone, everywhere, while contributing to crucial global goals. Join us in this exciting journey towards a greener, healthier future. Like and subscribe for updates on Hemholm's progress.